guys, look.
What's
What
that?
is that on the right wing?
What do you
I
mean?
don't see anything. Whoa. C12 is my seat.
I'm G.
Anyone sitting beside
I'm
me?
seat J5.
B5.
Oh, cool. We're aisle buddies.
Cool.
Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 7908.
Ooh.
I don't know where
We
my
are
seat is.
currently flying at
Where's
an
G?
altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level.
You guys.
Weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination.
Thanks, Captain.
Yeah,
Feel
thanks,
free
Captain.
to explore the airplane.
Okay, I'm gonna
Oh, cool,
explore
we
the
have to sit
airplane
then.
then. Oh,
Thank
hey,
you.
Awesome.
I want snacks.
Yeah, same.
I want to sit in first class.
Yeah, let's sneak to first class. Draco, I bet first class has snacks.
You're right. Everyone,
Wait, the
that's cool.
restroom.
Bathroom's used.
Oh,
guys-
Hello.
we're from first
That's
class.
cool. Yeah.
Oh man, they get us
Yeah,
lay
we
here.
belong here.
Wow.
Don't mind if I do.
Do you see snacks?
Yes, let's go in the
Maybe up
kitchen.
here.
I see scissors.
Scissors.
Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Oh, no.
Oh gosh, oh
14
gosh, oh gosh.
seconds.
Oh,
But
we should've
no,
ran
no,
up
I want to be in
here.
first class though. No,
Funny, I don't think you're supposed to be up there.
no, funny. That's not
Okay,
a good idea.
I don't think I can run to my seat. C12.
Funny.
It won't let me sit.
You have to let go of your ticket.
Oh,
Oh, it won't let me sit. It won't let me
Draco.
sit. Let me sit.
Draco, sit down.
Dying.
Ow, I hit my head.
Should have put on your seatbelt.
Thank you for your cooperation.